watch another amazing video that I have for you. So today I am so excited and we're gonna get inspired by Dollar General makeup. Yay! So I recently had realized that Dollar General now has a new label called Believe Beauty. The little town that I live in actually has a Dollar General, and they recently redid the store, which means now they have a complete area full of this Believe Beauty products. So I went into the store yesterday and I did pick up this palette right here, Nearly Nude, for $5. And then I wanted the black eyeliner. Naturally, they were out of it, but I got the next best one, which was like a charcoal right here. This was like $3.50. Let's just see what this Believe Beauty is all about. I'm actually gonna keep it really simple and just kind of do what I usually do with my makeup look. So I'm gonna be taking just a Morphe brush right here, and then I'm just gonna dive into this brown right here, this matte right here. Why not? Let's just dive into it. Of course, put it in the crease and then buff it out. Liking it. Wow, that looks pretty amazing for just one color. That looks really great. Loving actually the tone of that color too. Really nice. So I'm actually just gonna take like an e.l.f. brush right here and just actually dig it in just a little bit more. Get a little bit more pigmentation. I'm really big on really just using either 1 to 3 shades of color with my makeup looks. I don't like it to get too complicated because we don't have time for being complicated, right? So one of my favorite things to do is really like showcasing how one color, like this very deep color, can actually look like multiple colors by using it as a true, like concentrated right here on the lid, and then also how I can like fan it out to the lid so it really has that beautiful gradation. I mean, that's the whole thing. Like, if you can do that with one color, why mess with multiple colors, right? I am actually really impressed with how concentrated and how easy this was to apply. So I'm gonna take another e.l.f. brush right here, and I'm gonna take this beautiful champagne color. So let's just see. Now, of course, I could use concealer and really make it pop, but we're just gonna keep it really simple for like an everyday, easy look. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit under the brow bone, and then I'm just gonna tuck it right in the inner eye. I'm gonna go back in with the other e.l.f. brush and just go over this line again and make it really crisp. Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna just pat it right here in the corner, do a little bit of a faux fade right there. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of lower lid fun, as I like to call it. So I'm just gonna kind of mix. I really feel like I wanna play with these metallics right here. I'm drawn to this copper color right now, so I'm just gonna take this and just go under the lid with it. Oh, that's really pretty. Maybe I'm gonna take a little bit of this brown one right here and just maybe blend it out to this corner. Now I'm just gonna take my little brush again with the champagne color, and I'm just gonna put it right here, and then I'm just gonna sweep full under eye with this copper color. For the eyeliner, I was actually really excited to try this because I hear really great things about it. So like I said, it's charcoal, and actually I really like to do sometimes a charcoal with a brown eye. There's something about a gray and a brown, right? That took a little bit longer than I thought to like cover, but this formula is super creamy. So it's actually really exciting that it's a very, very creamy eyeliner. I'm just gonna kind of drag it down just a little bit. So now I'm just gonna go in with my usual Essence eyeliner, which is my favorite. That looks pretty good. You never know what you're gonna get when you use a liquid eyeliner. So now I'm just gonna put a little mascara and put some eyelashes on. And there she is on that side. Wow, looks pretty great, right? Really impressed. So now I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. And here she is, all complete, both eyes. I literally did this entire eye with eyelashes in less than 5 minutes. So you can really get this pretty intense makeup look for 10 minutes. And of course, practice makes perfect. I have to say, for $5, this is probably the best $5 palette I have experienced. And this eyeliner for $3.50 is pretty great as well. Very creamy, really excited, and I'm really excited for the black to be back in stock. Let me know if you have tried this line. I seriously would love to know and see your makeup look, so reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of your makeup looks and your wig looks and you just being as amazing as you can possibly be. And let me know, of course, if you would like me to do more of this beauty line, if you want me to try a certain palette or do an entire face or whatever. Like, I'm happy to do it, so let's just have fun and play with makeup. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you want to feel fabulous in $5 makeup, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you